Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for everyone: keeping our legs strong and healthy. Walking, running, climbing stairs. It all starts with strong legs. As we age, muscle loss is a natural process, and often the legs are the first to show it. And what's one of the best ways to support our leg health? Nutrition. In this video, we're going to explore 5 incredible foods that can help keep your legs feeling powerful. It's all about making simple, sustainable changes to your meals that can make a big difference. Now, before we jump in, just a quick disclaimer. I'm not your doctor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Let's get started. First up, we have a true nutritional powerhouse: spinach. You might remember this leafy green from your parents telling you to eat your vegetables, and guess what? They were onto something. Spinach is packed with essential nutrients that play a key role in maintaining strong legs. One of the key players here is iron, essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body, including your muscles. Without enough iron, your muscles can become fatigued, leading to that heavy, sluggish feeling in your legs. Spinach is also a good source of magnesium, involved in over 300 processes in the body, including muscle function and energy production. Think of it as a spark plug for your muscles, helping them to contract and relax efficiently. Toss it into your smoothies, sauté it with some garlic, or add a handful to your omelets or scrambled eggs. Adding a serving of spinach to your day is a simple yet powerful step towards supporting your leg health. Next up, we're diving into the world of healthy fats with salmon. Not all fats are created equal. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly beneficial for your overall health, including your legs. Omega-3s are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can lead to muscle soreness and joint pain. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can help keep your legs feeling good and moving freely. Omega-3s also play a role in improving blood flow, crucial for delivering nutrients and oxygen to your muscles. Aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week. Grill it, bake it, or even enjoy it as sashimi. Including healthy fats like those found in salmon is a delicious way to support your leg health. Let's move on to a food that's not only delicious but also a protein powerhouse: Greek yogurt. If you're looking to build and maintain strong legs, protein is your best friend. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. When you exercise, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers, and protein provides the building blocks needed to repair those tears and make your muscles even stronger. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein, making it an excellent choice for supporting your leg muscles. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of calcium, crucial for muscle function. Incorporate Greek yogurt into your diet by enjoying it as a snack, adding it to your smoothies, or using it as a base for healthy dips and sauces. Opt for plain Greek yogurt and add your own fruit and honey for a touch of sweetness. Fueling your body with protein and calcium through delicious foods like Greek yogurt is key for building and maintaining strong, healthy legs. Next up, we have a fruit that's as portable as it is powerful: the banana. Bananas are a go-to snack for a reason. They're not only convenient but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your leg health, especially when it comes to preventing those pesky muscle cramps. One of the key nutrients in bananas is potassium, an electrolyte that plays a crucial role in muscle function. It helps to regulate muscle contractions and prevent those sudden painful cramps that can really throw off your game. When your potassium levels are low, your muscles are more prone to cramping, especially during or after exercise. Keep a few bananas on hand for a quick and easy snack. Slice them onto your breakfast cereal, or blend them into your smoothies. Their natural sweetness and creamy texture make them a versatile addition to your diet. So, the next time you're reaching for a snack, grab a banana. Your leg muscles will thank you for it. Last but not least, let's talk about a snack that's both satisfying and beneficial for your legs: almonds. These little nuts pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrients that support joint health and reduce inflammation. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to inflammation. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin E helps to keep inflammation in check. Keep a bag of almonds on hand for a quick and easy snack. Sprinkle them on your salads, or add them to your trail mix for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Taking care of your joints is essential for maintaining mobility and keeping your legs feeling strong and agile. So there you have it, 5 fantastic foods that can help keep your legs feeling strong and healthy. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can make a world of difference when it comes to your overall health and well-being. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the knowledge and help everyone live their healthiest lives. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and take care of those amazing legs.